Hello everyone. The topic of my presentation is evaluation of cytotoxic activity and high resolution liquid chromatography mass spectrometry analysis of foamy extract of Cucumis sativus. The abstract of this presentation is the Cucumis sativus belongs to Cucurbitaceae. It is used as both vegetable as well as fruit in Indian traditional medicine. It is a source of nutritional benefits and bioactive compounds. The aim of our study is to identify the prominent bioactive compounds present in the white foamy substance in a local white variety of Cucumis sativus, and the aqueous foamy extract was evaluated for cytotoxicity on onion bulbs. The metabolite profiling of white foamy substance was performed using HRLCMS. The principal component analysis of the analytical data showed the presence of triterpenes, that is cucurbitacin C and cucurbitacin E, and glycosides, that is digitoxygenin and streptathidin and digitoxygen in 10 microliters of sample loaded. 100 other compounds were also identified by accurate mass TOF MS and verified by database compounds, which include spirulactic acid, abscisic acid, amino acids, and fatty acids. The study found that streptathidin in highest concentration in acetone extract. The study reports that the traditional significance of removing white foamy substance before slicing. Introduction to this: Cucumis sativus is a member of Cucurbitaceae family. It is consumed as a healthy food. It is a rich source of prophylactic and therapeutic ingredient of day-to-day life. Since ancient times, Cucumis sativus is consumed as a traditional food and used to treat constipation, headaches, for soothing effects and reducing swelling in skin. The cucumbers are available in different size and shape in various parts of the world. It also has a refreshing effects. These properties were well documented in Indian Ayurveda, and it contains the phytochemicals such as sulfonins, tannins, flavonoids, alkaloids, glycosides, polyphenols, and highest concentration of vitamin C and vitamin A. The present analysis was done to identify the bioactive compounds present in the white foamy substance of Cucumis sativus, local white variety. The aqueous extract was evaluated for cytotoxicity test. The acetone extract of white foamy substance was analyzed by analytical approach of HRLCMS. And because here the white foamy extract which on a phytochemical analysis showed the higher concentration of these cardiac glycosides, that's why we took a acetone extract for HRLCMS. The materials and methods: the local variety of this Cucumis sativus collected from the farm in a village called Kattebulguli near Narsipura Taluk, Hassan district. The fresh fruits were used for the extraction of white foamy substance, and the white foamy substance was obtained by cutting thin slice and placing it back, rubbing on the flat surface and both blossom and stem ends against the cucumber in a circular motion. 100 grams of fresh foamy substance was collected and Soxhlet extraction was done. The residue dissolved in 10 ml of acetone and stored in tight container and used for analysis. The phytochemical screening was done according to the Begum et al., and the aqueous foamy extract was evaluated by exposing onion bulbs to the various concentration of 1 to 5 milligrams of extract for 48 to 96 hours, and high resolution liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry analysis of the extract was prepared in acetone. It was carried out in SIFE, that is Sophisticated Analytical Instrument Facility, IIT Bombay. The results were these are the preliminary phytochemical analysis done for alkaloids reducing sugar. So the compounds which the presence of reducing sugar was identified, and the monosaccharides and steroids, cardiac glycosides, phenols, and terpenoids were identified in the preliminary qualitative phytochemical analysis. Aqueous foamy extract was evaluated by exposing the onion bulbs of 1 to 5 milligrams of extract. The microscopic and macroscopic analysis of onion root tips were done after 96 hours, 48 to 96 hours of duration. The photomicrograph study indicates the chromosomal aberrations, the disturbed telophase, abnormal cell shape, dissolved chromosomes and nuclear lesions, and reduction in the root growth. and this is the exposure of onion bulbs of 1 to 5 milligrams per ml concentration of the extract for 48 to 96 hours. And this is the photomicrograph study done under 100x light microscope of Nikon the photographic camera. So here you can see the disturbed telophase and abnormal cell shape and nuclear lesions. And in the other slide we can identify the membrane damage and the disturbed telophase and nuclear lesions, and these chromosomal disorganization also observed in the cells. The result that mitotic index in the negative and the positive control was 7.25%, and the positive control it is 3.29% respectively. And this is the chromatograph of foamy extract of Cucumis sativus. So these peaks shows the prominent compounds present. The major and it is composed of both complex major and minor peaks. The major peaks indicates the presence of these prominent compounds. The first one it is gitoxygen. It is present in the ratio that is 7.76 parts per million. It has a mass of 390.2376. So these are the prominent compounds obtained. And strophantidine, it is in the ratio, it is in the parts per million of 13.79 parts per million. Okay, so among all the compounds that is strophantidine is obtained in the highest concentration. And this is about the compound structure and their mass spectra of prominent compounds. The study today says that the main natural resources of cardinalides were extracted from Digitalis lanata and Digitalis purpurea species. Both the species are cultivated for this purpose. Strophantidine is a cardinaloid found in the species of genus Strophanthus. But this is the first report that shows that strophantidine 13.77 parts per million concentration is present in white foamy substance of Cucumis sativus local variety, and it is considered as a potent pharmacologically cytotoxic compounds which has an immense therapeutic application in a pharmacological field. The present study suggests that Cucumis sativus local variety is a good source of drugs to improve the human health and enlighten us on the science behind the removal of white foamy substance before slicing the cucumber. In this regard, we have to expand our knowledge on phytochemical constituents of cucumbers, and the animal model study is further recommended to evaluate this cytotoxic study and the white foamy extract of Cucumis sativus for human welfare. These are the reference, and thank you for watching.